Hello, it's video week. I do the Reiki, as you all know, or lots of you know, energy clearing, channeling the energy through myself. That can be magnified and the results speeded up, I guess, when you add sound healing. So I use crystals, which enhances the whole experience. But when you add in sound bowls, this one is for the heart chakra, that one's for the crown, but also these tuning forks. So I have, I don't know if you can see them, the 7 chakras, but also the Merkaba and your pituitary gland. So they vibrate and make a gentle sound, and then they're placed on the chakra or the area of the body that is most going to benefit from the sound healing. If you'd like to book your own session, do get in touch. It's emeraldhandserenity.com. Have a magical, magical day. Namaste.